Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Crossing the threshold from the outside world into the main hall of Union Station is one of the most dramatic architectural experiences in Washington. As you walk through the massive arched doorways, the sound of the city is instantly replaced by a different kind of acoustic, a vast, echoing hum that belongs only to the world's greatest railway cathedrals. The first thing that draws your eye upward is the ceiling. Soaring 96 feet above the floor, the barrel-vaulted coffered ceiling is a masterpiece of Beaux-Arts style. It is decorated with over 70 pounds of 22-carat gold leaf, which catches the light and casts a warm celestial glow over the entire space. The scale here is intentionally overwhelming. Daniel Burnham, the architect, wanted this hall to be a reception room for the nation. You can see his vision in the 36 statues of Roman legionnaires that line the balcony level, standing guard over the travelers below. Originally, these statues were meant to be nude, but they are famously given shields to strategically cover their forms after the railroad officials of the 1900s deemed them too scandalous for a public terminal. Today they add a sense of ancient authority to this temple of modern transit. As you walk across the vast expanse of the floor, notice the white marble and the intricate patterns beneath your feet. This space has seen it all, from the arrival of soldiers returning from 2 world wars to the inaugural balls of multiple presidents. In the center of the hall stands the beautiful mahogany kiosk, a nod to the station's early 20th century roots. The air here smells of coffee, expensive retail, and the faint metallic scent of trains waiting just beyond the gates. It's a sensory cocktail that defines the romance of travel. Moving deeper towards the east hall of the terminal gates, you see how the station has evolved into a vibrant social hub. What was once a decaying structure in the 1970s is now a bustling marketplace filled with boutiques and world-class dining. Yet the commercial energy never manages to overshadow the architecture. Even as you pass the modern storefronts, the grand columns and arched windows remind you that you're walking through a historic monument. Standing in the center of the main hall, looking back towards the entrance you just came through, you realize that Union Station is more than just a place of departure. It is a space designed to inspire awe. Whether you are a daily commuter or a first-time visitor, the station demands that you pause for a moment and appreciate the grandeur of the American capital. As you prepare to head towards the platforms, you carry that golden light with you, a reminder that in Washington even the act of traveling is draped in history and magnificence.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.